Hello all, welcome back to our channel Oracle CPQ Gurus. So today we are going to discuss about the topic called AA plus Oracle CPQ Cloud. This is the very useful for the any developer. It is like a developer friendly automation we are doing in the Oracle CPQ today. So today I was just going through give you a small walkthrough how we'll get the responses. We can see just how we can able to whether we are getting the responses or not. So before going to the showing the demo or the project, first I wanted to go to our like a community, LinkedIn community. If you see that Oracle CPU guys is our LinkedIn community. So successfully we have reached the 363 members currently in the group. If anyone if anyone was not joined till, they can join and they can subscribe our channel. So this is about our Oracle CPQ gurus. So if you go through this community, you can able to find some videos about that. So let me coming to the main topic, in the Oracle CPQ Cloud. Uh, I think everyone was interested in the artificial intelligence, and it should be like a developer friendly. So today my topic is on the AI plus Oracle CPQ Cloud developer friendly automation. How you can ask the questions and you can get the responses. So let us see how we can able to see you can see in this demo. So first of all, right, you just click on the administration platform. Once you click on the administration platform, you just open your transaction. This is my transaction. Okay. If you see here, Oracle CP, you can ask if you see that we have the button, we have that, right? You just ask any question. Simple. First ask, let us ask some question. Okay. Um, what are the uh okay. How to create a table in HTML by using HTML. How to create a table by using HTML. So let me ask some question. How to how to create a how to create so table, right? Let me put the table. Okay. How to create a table by using HTML, right? This is the HTML. I was wanted to know how we can able to create a table, right? So let me click on that button called Copilot Submit. So once I click on this button, right, we will get the response from our artificial intelligence. So let us see how we will get it. It will take some time because it needs to analyze the question, right, and to give the best answers, like appropriate answers. So let us wait. Hmm. If you see here, right, we got the response. Hmm. If you see here, the creating a table is like we got some response, right? Show. Let me copy paste in the notepad and let us see what is the response it is given. Okay. So it is given how we can able to do that. So first, it is given some like creating a table is a fundamental skill in HTML. Here is a comprehensive guide, right? This is the response we got from our artificial intelligence. So if you see that, right, it is telling that for the table you need to use the TRTT tags. Mhm. So it is just suggesting us think the entire table like a container. You need to use the TR and TR for to create the row. TD for the stands for the table data. So this is the way it is just giving you the how you can able to do that and the good practice. So this is the way you can able to ask our Copilot box. So let me remove that and we can try one more thing. Okay, let me ask that in the CS. We'll ask in the CSS. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. How to adjust width? How to adjust width? But use how to adjust width? Okay, width spelling is not exactly correct. So let me. How to adjust the width by using CSS? You need not to go for the any WC3 schools to know the syntax, right? This is the very easiest way. So we can able to save our time. So on behalf of us, that our Copilot AI will go through it and it will get the how we can able to do. Let me click on this button, submit. Once I was given the input, right, I was just asking to get the output. So I just clicking on that button. So our AI was just analyzing that. Once it has analyzed that, right, we'll get the output in this box. If you see that, right, adjusting the width of the element is the fundamental skill in the CSS. So from the basic, it is just saying that some properties, it has given the syntax also exactly. If you see here, it has given the syntax. So let me, so this is has given the syntax also for us. If you see, it is given that how we can able to adjust the width. This is the syntax. So we can use that syntax and we can try it out. Okay. It's just giving some tips also. Hmm. This is the syntax it has given with 600 px it is put in. So similarly, you'll get the response. So this is the really cool project. Recently, I have just doing for my fun. So if anyone want to implement this thing in our projects, so they can approach us, and I can able to help them out to get this in the similar way. So this is the starting stage, right? I was doing in the starting stage. It is in the still in the starting stage. So the more visibility like UI wise we can, it will take some time to develop the UI wise. Currently the responses we're getting is a good one. So this is about the cool project we can able to implement in the Oracle CPQ for the developer friendly. So nowadays, right, like we are unable to know the some syntax how it will work. So for every each and every developer, right, it will be the very helpful and the friendly one. Yeah.